Use the key to remove the battery. Press and hold the powered on button for 15 seconds to discharge the residual electrical energy. Use a 4mm hex key to remove the cable clip that secures the brake cable. Use a 5mm hex key to unscrew the 2 screws that fix the disc brake mount. Remove the disc brake mount. Disconnect the headlight terminal. Adjust the headlight angle to the maximum upward position. Use a 4mm hex key to remove the headlights. Use a 6mm hex key to hold the through axle on the side of the disc brake rotor. Then use another 6mm hex wrench to unscrew the screw on the other side. Pull out the through axle. Remove the front wheel. Take out the handlebar stem rubber plug. Use a 6mm hex key to loosen the screw in the middle of the handlebar stem. Remove the handlebar stem. Use an adjustable wrench to unscrew the lock nut. Remove the anti-rotation washer. Use an adjustable wrench to unscrew the upper headset plug. Remove the dust cover and the front fork. Install the front fork. Install the dust cover with the sides having words facing downwards. Screw in the upper headset plug with the protrusion facing downwards. Tighten it with a wrench. Install the anti-rotation washer with the protrusion aligned with the notch. Screw on the lock nut with the side having a circle facing downwards. Use a wrench to tighten the nut. Install the handlebar stem. Slowly rotate and put the protective cover down. Make sure the safety line is not exposed. Adjust it to the proper position. First, pre-tighten the screw in the middle of the handlebar stem. Install the front wheel with the disc brake rotor on the left side of the bike. Insert the through axle from the side of the disc brake rotor. Screw in the screw on the other side. Use 2 wrenches in tandem to tighten it. Install the disc brake mount. First, preliminarily tighten the 2 screws. Squeeze the left brake lever tightly, then tighten the 2 screws alternately. Install the headlights with the wiring harness facing down. Tighten the 2 fixing screws alternately. Adjust the headlights to an appropriate angle. Thread the headlight wire harness through the bottom of the front fork. Align the raised part with the notch and insert the terminal. Install the cable clip for securing the brake cable. Adjust the handlebars to be straight, then tighten the middle screw. Insert the rubber plug. Install the battery.